All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what are we gonna be doing, Nathan?
We're gonna be putting on the decals.
Decals, here we come. There they are, guys.
No, I'm just kidding. Those aren't the decals. This is the decals.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put that on. So get ready, guys. It's gonna be a fun video.
Woo.
All right, there it is. Woohoo, we did it.
Yeah, that's so great. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, look.
Basically, we already put the seat cover on, the custom seat cover, but we noticed that we're gonna have to take the seat cover or the whole seat back off, because this decal right here, we want to try to take the old decals off, but we're going to try to get this thing off, and I think the new decals are going to have to go under the seat like that.
Okay,
we'll find out. If you want to bring those decals out, the ones that go on the side, we could see what position they'll be in.
No, I just want to tell you something.
Go ahead.
So I gotta take the seat off. It's real easy. All you have to do is these 2 screws, and then you pull this back and it comes off.
Take the seat off?
Yeah, you just take this screw off, and then there's another one on this side.
On this side.
I'm gonna do this one real quick.
Okay.
Just do this.
What size is it?
10 millimeter, I'm pretty sure.
All right.
And then I'm just gonna put them over here.
Screws, the bolts.
And then you just lift this up right here.
All right, let's see.
Lift this up like this, right on the back, and then you pull it out like this.
Nice.
And then it comes off.
Oh, guys, feel that.
It's dry.
It's dry. Well, there's oil on it. We might need to take that off and put some more oil on that, guys.
Yeah.
That's stock. I'm glad we saw that.
Oh,
so
no.
while we're under there, let's take that off and spray it with some oil. So we got to get these decals off. Let's look at the new decals real quick and see if they're going to fit. Okay, guys, there's the new decals in a set. We got these decals from Decal Works. If you want to, check them out. They have a pretty good online service where you can customize a lot of different stickers. You can do fully custom, semi-custom. You can do just the number plates, whatever you want to do. We got a seat cover with them. The seat cover does not come on the seat. You have to put it on yourself. So there it is.
It's like a
easy.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, but if you have to be like a strong.
Yeah, you got to have like a heat, somewhat like a hair dryer or something like that to kind of get it to stretch, and then you have to have a nice staple gun with 1/2 inch wide, 1/4 inch long staples. Yep. All right, so open that thing up. Let's see what they look like.
That off, so I'm just gonna. Oh.
There we go.
Is that scratch right there?
There's a scratch. It's a smudge, I think.
Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
It's fine. We'll clean it up.
But I think there's like.
All right, bring it over here to the light. Let's go over it. Come on, guys. Let's go to this table right here. There's this RM85, one of his other filters.
Guys, this comes with this.
Oh, it comes with a, I guess, a presser. I don't know what that thing's called. It's just something where you work the decals into the body of the dirt bike and like gets all the wrinkles out and stuff. You do like that. There it is, guys. What do you guys think of the coloring? Let's go look at this one real quick and see what it looks like. Oh, there it is. All right, guys, so we're gonna work on this right now, and it's gonna be good. Nathan's already got picked up pine straw right there. This is the thing that I'm worried about right here. Look at this. Yamaha is protruding right here, and you have on the fork guards. So that's gonna be difficult right there to put decals over that, but we'll figure it out. Nathan's irritated at this.
Yeah, I'm trying to find if there's like a covering or something.
Scratch. No, there's no covering. But could we look at the side real quick, Nathan, real quick? Find the sides, the YZ, I think that's it right there. Let's see how far it goes up there. Why don't you just take all of the plastics off?
Oh, sorry, I just don't know. Oh, and guys, it came with this. I don't know what this is. 28, yeah. Those are
28 Nathan Lindsley's? That's cool. You gotta really be careful with this stuff.
Yeah, I think this is the side, I'm not sure.
No, that's the other side, I think.
The side, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at it, guys. All right, so that's that right there. Nathan, I think we're gonna take the other decals off first.
And you want to save them? I don't care to save them.
You don't care to? I want to save them.
Hey, how about you just put them on your bike?
Put it on my bike?
No,
That's the only problem. We don't have anything that we could stick these old YZ decals to.
Wait,
there's not that many of them. We got to get this off too, Nathan.
You can stick them to your garage. Maybe that would work.
You think it will stick to that? I don't know. We have to have something that's completely clean. All right, let's try that. Clean it off really good with this stuff. Okay. Because that's really like a smooth surface right there. Maybe that will work. We'll spray that. That's like cleaner stuff.
It smells really
Spray
good.
that, and then we'll start using the hair dryer to start loosening up these decals. It's really only the stock stickers. So start heating them up and peel them off, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna get all these stickers off too. Like, use premium unleaded gasoline oil premix only. Before you operate this vehicle, read the owner's manual on all labels. Never carry a passenger. You increase the risk of losing control if you carry a passenger. Never operate this vehicle on public roads. You can collide with another vehicle if you operate this vehicle on public roads. You can collide with a vehicle in a car. What does that mean? That doesn't make any sense. Always wear an approved motorcycle helmet. Eye protection and protective clothing. Experienced riders only. For use only on a closed course in sanctioned competition. This motorcycle does not meet EPA noise and emission standards and is not for general off-road recreation riding. This is only for racing. Woohoo! Oh, he got that one off all by himself. Take the warning labels off the back now. Is it gonna stick? This garage door is looking better every second, every second. This unit contains high pressure nitrogen gas. Mishandling can cause explosion. Read owner's manual for instructions. Do not incinerate, puncture, or open. This Nate dog, he finally got his bike and he's putting his decals on. There's his new seat cover. We should have showed you how to put that on. It's not that hard, but basically I put it on, or we both put it on. Stable job's kind of messed up, but still good. Alright guys, it's time to start setting up the new decals. He's already got it cleaned off, so we're going to put this front one on first. Wish us luck, it's going to be fun. Woo! So we got to get this thing.
Pokemon Go every day. Back one. I want to do the back one next.
Back one?
Yeah.
All day long, all day long.
I play Pokemon Go
every day.
I play Pokemon Go. A piece of crap. Right, Dad?
That one was harder than the first one. If I didn't have that clutch cable in the way, that would have been easy to do that one.
Oh yeah.
What's the next one, guys? Ooh, those are the swing arm stickers. Those would be easy.
That's for this side anyways. I'll just
wipe it off with that.
Can I use alcohol?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought alcohol scratches. No.
This is easy.
Wait, I suck at putting stickers on.
All right, got it.
I don't think that's right, guys. Comment down below.
Okay, go get me the next one.
We're done. We're completely finished. Looks like a piece
Next.
of crap now.
Ooh, look at these little ones.
Got it, Dad. Got it.
What's this to?
Well, we'll figure that out, but we won't know yet.
Ooh, look at this one, guys. Where does this one go?
Back here.
No way. Let's just do this one. God, we have a lot more to go. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
What is this?
Wow. Wow. There is a lot, guys. Ride, fly, eat dirt.
It's called Eat Dirt. Eat Dirt.
Nice. There it is. I found it. There it is. That thing dropped. The sticker dropped. The sticker dropped.
It's gonna die!
Oh no. All right, get the alcohol and wipe that off really good. Oh my God, look at who it is.
Yeah!
Oh, I thought it was the Wicked Witch of the Northwest.
It's just a mess.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys.
How's it going? These stickers are hard to get on. What happened to your eye?
Hard.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I was heading to the refrigerator and I was trying to get my lunchbox.
Yeah?
And energy drink fell on my eye.
Oh, did it hurt?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. All right.
Yep.
All right, next stop. What's the next sticker? Alright, here we go, guys.
Put these stickers on.
This is the second number plate on the side. The first one wasn't too bad. Actually, it was kind of bad, but
Yeah.
I'm just kind of like pretending it wasn't. But yeah, these are kind of difficult, to be honest with you.
See that
Don't
sticker
try
right
this at
there?
home.
That 28 looks amazing.
Make sure the edge is as good as you're gonna get, because that's what's gonna peel off.
Okay guys, Airbox Elite Nigents.
Here we go.
Elite Nigents. I said Elite Nigents.
Let's see if we can do this one. This is gonna be easy, I think.
phone. What do you mean use your phone?
My thumb.
How you feel about that, Dad? Kept me outside. How about that? How about that? Ride, fly, eat dirt. That was good.
I like it with the black a little bit.
Guys, how do you like that? Ride, fly, eat dirt. I like that because I eat dirt every single day, guys. I literally shove dirt in my mouth and swallow it. I didn't eat anything today but mom's meal, and I had a lot of it, but I haven't had 3,000 calories. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna put it on the other side now. Now I gotta scoop my thing over here. I wish I could go to work like you all day and then come home.
And have a family?
Mm-hmm.
One day you'll have a family of your own. You know?
Yep.
And you'll be...
And then I'll bring
you'll have a little kid and you'll teach him how to ride dirt bikes one day.
I'm not gonna have a little kid. I'm gonna have all my kids ride dirt bikes. And guess what? I'm gonna have 7 kids so they can, when me and my girlfriend go on dates, you can watch all of them. Pretend I'm just playing recording, guys. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Guys, I'm gonna put the seat on, see what it looks like so far. Not really put it on. I just want to set it on there real quick. I thought it would look cool. God, that looks sick. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna flip it around and hold it like this. So when I put it on, all I have to do is put it forward instead of flipping it around. Oh God, that looks sick. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get the front fender. Okay, I'm gonna try to find it. If I find it, I'm smart. I'm picking it. I just have to say this is it. That wasn't actually that hard, right, Dad?
Right.
Yamaha. You see that? It says Yamaha. It looked perfectly fine to me. Nothing wrong with that. Looks perfectly fine. We're gonna go on this side now. I'm gonna put on the sticker real quick. Nah, SSR140 has some freaking power. We need to fix that thing up.
No, it does. That thing really does have a lot of power, like seriously.
Yeah, look, perfect. Look. 28 right there.
Yeah.
Wait, does this get hot?
Yeah.
Oh,
It don't matter. Those stickers can get hot.
what is this for, Dad? Dad!
I don't know. You can put it right there. Unless you rounded it. If you rounded it, it would look better.
Cut off the edges a little bit. I'm gonna close my eyes and stick it on there. Wherever it lands, that's what's gonna stay. Okay, Dad? Dad, does that look good?
Dude, I put this sticker on perfect.
Look, Dad, look at this. Does this look good?
Yeah.
That's how you do it, Dad? You put those
Yep.
dots.
Pull this down. You can hold it there and then tighten one of them up lightly.
Okay, that's good.
The top one.
That's good. It's not going anywhere. Looks pretty good to me.
Next.
Next. What do you want to do next?
What does a carburetor do?
Carburetor, it has pistons.
Carburetor mixes air and fuel that goes.
And the spark plug is right there. When the spark plugs like ignites, it
Mine's fuel injected.
puts but yours doesn't do that. The piston go up and down.
All right, next one. Is that it?
Oh, there's two.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
You found it.
Oh.
Ooh. All right, here.
Gucci gang.
Hello.
What does it look like?
And then the sauce. Yeah.
I didn't know it was going to take this long. I mean, we're more than halfway done. You can start taking the plastics off.
Guess what time it is?
10.
Exactly 10.
Ooh. Alright, Nathan's about to take the shroud off.
Yep.
So he has to take this off right here because that sticker, the decal, goes underneath here. So
It's one of these. I think it's 8 millimeters. Yep, this one's 8. So
8 millimeters?
I can't do this, so I'm gonna. My dad taught me this, so I'm just. It's easier like this, and then what you do is you hold this, and then you turn it like that.
Nice. Then it's loose. Then you can turn it. What is this, Nathan?
YZ125.
No, what is this?
The gas tank.
Right, fuel tank.
And why do we have to take this off?
Because you got the next decal that goes on this goes down in here. It like folds down inside
You
there.
Put it on right now?
Yeah, might as well. Last
Last
one. All right, let's do it here. Find it. I think
If we got school tomorrow. It's actually like 10 something. I don't know what time it is.
There's two exactly of the same kind.
Huh?
It's weird. So maybe just in case you mess one up or something. That's weird. That's what it's for, right?
Wait. Did you miss something on this back thing?
No. Does it look like I missed something?
No.
Oh, you know what? This is the fuel tank. So if you drop fuel on this, it might give you. They give you a spare one so you can replace it. That's kind of cool, right?
Yeah, maybe that's why.
Why?
They're
What
okay.
the heck is all this? We gotta get all those out before we stick this.
I can get a teeny screwdriver real quick. Just a second. Let me go find one real quick.
See how that goes on there though?
Yeah,
Like that?
that's smart. And any gas rushes down there, which it can, just no air bubbles come out of it basically, so.
Okay, put that back on now.
Can you like put it back on?
Yeah, put it back on. We're done.
In the way.
Look at it.
Oh, this.
And that.
And that.
How was I supposed to put my finger in there?
Got that one. Tighten up this one up.
You think we could have done it without taking it off?
No, because you would have to stick like a screwdriver down in there and like, yeah.
All right, it's tight. So when you ride it, it's not gonna fly off?
Yeah, I'm gonna double check it.
I think you're good.
You can double check it if you want to.
All right, I'll double check it.
There you go. Hey guys.
Gonna take the other side off now.
I'm gonna take this one off.
All right,
The
here
other
we go.
side off. Got it. Got that one. I'm just gonna leave it that one like that. Let's see if I can get this one out.
What?
Nothing.
What is he laughing at? What? What is it?
Okay, you really want me to tell you?
You farted on me.
No, I'm not gonna.
You were pretending like it was so hard.
Yes. I was like, you pretending I was putting all my might in it. You would have heard a crack if it wasn't. Got it. Okay, guys, so this thing is kind of like hard. They didn't put enough oil on there. There's some oil on there.
Yeah, I
but
heard
not enough.
that you
So
need
there's
to
not
check
enough.
these stock air filters because usually they don't put enough oil. So we're gonna take that thing off and
Yeah, it feels.
coat it with some oil.
It feels like when you put it, a piece of bread in the toaster and then you leave it out for a couple of days.
But it's not just that. You can tell.
It's
I mean,
pretty
there's a
oil.
little bit of oil, but it's just so minuscule.
Yeah, you can't
You
even
can
tell.
barely even tell that there's oil on there. So he's gonna take that thing off.
gonna try
Just
to take
loosen
it
that
off.
up. Hey guys, I had to poke all these little punch pieces
It was
out
a pain.
because it took. There they are all over the floor, but it took forever to get those things punched out. What do you think, Nate Dogg?
Think it looks great. Okay, guys, we decided to take this off and just put it on by
No. We already had it off.
Yeah, we already had it off. We should have just did the other one too. We only got 8% more on the camera, but it's fine. My dad's thinking about giving me FMF pipe. We don't know yet, so I don't know. I think he should because we already put the FMF on there, so I'm not sure. He's gonna talk to me about it. Got it?
This is gonna be hard, guys. Like really hard.
Is that gonna be the hardest one?
Definitely.
Nice, guys.
All right, we got that one side. All right, that's all we could do for today, guys. We're gonna finish it up tomorrow. Woohoo! Almost done. All right, guys, welcome back to round 2. We are going to finish this project, the 2019 YZ125 decal project, and we only have the decals to put on this and the decals to put on the front fender, and then we're done, guys.
I'm 100% sure these are supposed to go back here, like right there.
You think?
Yeah, they're supposed to go back there.
Why?
So when everyone looks at the back of their bike, you can see that right there.
Getting this on?
I mean, my God, look at that. I did good.
That be looking nice.
All right, I'm gonna put this thing back on, guys. On. Let's go.
Did you see how many views your new video has? Yes, 75,000.
Nice.
All your money.
Well, let's see that face again.
Give me this.
Ready? Not gonna let it go.
seriously, use your brain a little bit.
Just beep.
So do you want to
Yeah,
take this off?
Good.
Yeah, I'm not happy with how they did that, but at least it's even, right?
Oh, that looks sick.
All right, guys, we're done finally. It only took about 3 hours to do it. There it is, my first full decal job with seat cover, guys. There it is. Nathan's bike, the new yz125. He's got the hand guards and the decal set from Decal Works, guys. All right, there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. And Nathan, are you gonna crank that thing up real quick?
I might be able to crank it.
Think you could?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can crank it up. What do you guys think? On a scale from 1 to 10, what do you guys think about the graphics?
It's gonna be impossible to crank up with your hand.
Let's
Well, I
see.
think it was foot.
Here, all you gotta do is put the choke on. There.
No, I'm gonna do it for them.
All right.
I'm gonna try to do it. We're gonna do this for them.
All right, I have the choke on.
Just hold it out.
All right, there you go. Hold it. Nice.
Wait a
That's if
second.
I didn't want to cut off. It was like, alright.
There it is, guys. Thanks for watching us put the decals on. And uh-oh, the smoke alarm. Open the garage door. We set the smoke alarm. Hey, it's a good test, guys. Fast, the garage door. Go upstairs and see if it's doing it upstairs too. Yeah, blow it on the smoke alarm. There you go. See what you get for 2 strokes, guys? All right, thanks so much for watching once again. And we even had a little bit extra excitement for you guys for setting the smoke alarm off in the house. I know Natalie's probably very annoyed. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. And next stop, we'll be riding this thing on the track or somewhere else. What do you got to say, Nate Dogg?
It's a long time, so we finally got it done. Thanks for watching, guys. So you guys like the decals? Right fly 50 gigawatts.
Bye.
Bye.
That smoke alarm said.
Bye, guys.